Hi, and welcome back to another episode of What's Cooking at Raymond. My name is Karina, and we are going to continue on with Hispanic Heritage Month and visit that wonderful little island, the DR, República Dominicana, the Dominican Republic, and their breakfast staple of Mangú y los tres golpes, and pair that with a refreshing Morir Soñando, an orange creamsicle, almost orange Julius melted type drink. Now, for this, you're going to find pretty much everything in your local supermarket, and we're going to start off with our 4 green plantains. Chop off those ends and use a knife to peel it. It is tougher than a banana, but it's so much taste and flavor inside. Chop and chunk. Put those in a pot, add about 6 cups of water, maybe more depending on if it evaporates quickly, and set that off to a medium-high heat to boil. Pickle your red onions with salt, vinegar, and oil, and cover your cheese with flour. We're going to start off and set our Dominican salami to fry. It's already smoked, so you can find actually that you can eat it fresh out of the fridge, but I like the extra crunch of frying up the salami. You're going to set that aside once it's nice and crispy onto a paper towel to drain that excess oil. Your flour covered cheese, you can go ahead and start frying that up quickly, and it'll get very toasty and crispy, golden brown. I'm using a gluten-free flour mix, and it just gives that extra crunch. It's almost like a flat mozzarella stick of fresh cheese. Super salty. So, if you are on a salt-based diet, be careful with this cheese. You are going to go ahead, fry your eggs up, and prepare your avocado like usual. And for your mangú, once it's fork tender, add in about 4 tablespoons of butter, a smidge of oil, and smash them and take out all of your frustrations on those plantains. Just mush them up as much as you want. If you wanted a smoother texture, you would de-seed the plantain, but I like it chunky. With your pickled red onions that have been setting aside for a couple hours, you're going to saute them in your pan. I like adding a little butter for that extra caramelized flavor. Get them nice, translucent, and pink, and top that all off with on top of your mangú. You want to serve this nice and warm. So there you have your mangú y los tres golpes, fried egg, avocado, fried cheese, fried salami, boiled green plantains, pickled red onions. Your Morir Soñando, you're going to take your chilled sweetened milk with sugar and vanilla, optional, and stir like your life depends on it when you're adding that orange juice so it doesn't curdle, and you are ready to drink. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time at What's Cooking at Raymond.